morning, everyone. I am Sivannarayana, working as Assistant Professor, Marri Laxman Reddy Institutions of Technology and Management, Dundigal, Hyderabad. In this session, we are going to the data visualization concept in data analytics. What we are going to discuss: introduction to data visualization and data visualization techniques. What is data visualization? Data visualization is the graphic representation of data. Data visualization is the graphic representation of data. It involves producing images that communicating relationships among the represented data viewers of the images. What is the data visualization? Data visualization is the graphic representation of data rather than taking in the measures, rather than taking in the statistical terminologies. Statistical terminologies. The data, turning data into visual formats like charts and graphs and maps, like charts and graphs and maps. Make complex data to understand easily at glance. Next, helps identify trends and patterns and insights. This communication is achieved through the use of a systematic mapping between graphic marks and data values in the creations of the visualization. So generally, it I am working with any textual data, going to through the textual data, getting the data, getting the data, and the data visualization pan. In this data visualization pan, creating new measures are columns. This mapping established how two values will be represented visually, determining how and to what extent the property of graphic mark. This graphic, whatever implementation done with help of some neat diagrams, automatically conveys the information in the users. Data visualization aims to communicate data clearly and effectively through graphical representation. Data visualization has been used extensively in many applications like business, healthcare, and education, etc. More popularity data visualization technique are used to discover data relationships. There are certain techniques. Trends actually visualization is not much simple. Suppose if you are working with any tool based PBI, Power BI, and Tableau. If you are working with Python, the tool based like Power BI was three types of services: Power BI desktop services, Power BI services, and Power BI mobile services. Power BI desktop services, in the services displays the visualizations and create the visualizations, or displays the visualizations, and one to another visualization to mapping relation. Suppose in this bar chart, in this products Passio sales, click on the Passio sales. Next, another graph, column chart, product Passio sum of the profit, display the sum of the profit. Then in this pie chart, sum of the profit of the product. More popular data visualization techniques are used to discover data relationships that are otherwise not easily observable by looking at the raw data. Next, data visualization. What is the how to data visualization? Mapping we were training about. What is the process by data visualization? Systematic approach, definitely. The real data. The data was collecting government. The data was collecting government sites or clients and applications. The data was collected. The raw data was collected and data is processed. processed means pre-processing. The data was pre-processing. Which is the data was pre-processing in Power BI, and cleaning the data set. Cleaning the data. How to clean the data in Power BI? The data was cleaning in Power Query Editor. In the data set was cleaning. Remove the duplication of data. Remove the columns. Remove the duplicate data, or remove the columns, and remove the errors in this Power BI Query Editor. The data was clean and sent to the exploratory data analysis, EDA, exploratory data analysis. And next, exploratory data analysis. The data was analyzed and sent to the model to algorithms. In this model to algorithms, in this models and algorithms used to machine level algorithms, machine learning algorithms, and deep learning algorithms. And the data was cleaning and communicating the visual report to make a decisions. Next, the data visualization techniques. The data visualization techniques are four types of. First one, pixel oriented visualization techniques, geometric projection visualization techniques, icon based visualization techniques, hierarchical visualization techniques. First one, pixel oriented visualization techniques. Pixel oriented visualization. A simple way to visualize the value of dimensions is used to pixel, where the color of the pixel reflects the dimensional value. Pixel. What is the pixel? What is the pixel? Pixels are the smallest unit in a digital display. Up to millions of pixels make up an image. The pixel was divided in subpixels, in 3 subpixels. First subpixel was stored in colors red, green, blue. Next, for a data set of m-dimensional pixels, oriented techniques create a m windows on the screen, one for each dimension. The m-dimension values of record are mapped to m pixels at the corresponding position in the windows. Now first, rather than all important parts, what you want represent those particular points of mapped in images. The first, the data was saved in monochrome 1 bit. A 1 bit data in the saved the image black and white, only black and white. And second bit was saved image in grayscale, and white and light white, and gray and light gray colors. Fourth bit grayscale 2 into 4, 16 levels of gray. Eighth bit 2 4 of 8 into 250 levels of gray colors. The pixel oriented techniques. Income is light color, and increase the color thickness of the color. Next, income and credit was same, and income and credit was same. The transactional values, heavy electronics value by purchasing the transaction values. And next, income and credit limited as image, age was not. Pixel oriented visualization techniques. The color of the pixel reflects other corresponding values. Inside a window, the data values are arranged in some global order shared all windows. Next, geometric projection visualization technique. Next, geometric projection visualization techniques, and icon based visualization techniques, hierarchical based visualization techniques. Next class I will discuss data visualization techniques. Thank you.